Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video which is about creating this eye look right here, but it's going to be very quick and very easy, I promise. This eye look just takes a few minutes to me. When I personally do it, it takes me around 3.5 minutes to create this look on both sides of my eyes, So it's really quick. So when you start creating it, it might take you somewhere around 5 minutes. And that is what I'm targeting this video to be, 5 minutes long. And yeah, if you want to see how you can create this smoked out eyeliner, extremely glamorous look without going all out there and without using too much of product, too much of tools, I am going to show you how. So without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So this is the look we are going for today. This is the smoky look that I'm going. The color I've laid down on the base is the color of my dress. You can go ahead and decide for yourself what color you would want for your base. That's completely switchable to make this smoky eye look absolutely gorgeous. I'll be using this Nikki X Beauty Babe palette, and as you can see, it has such beautiful colors right here. This is what I'm going to use, and to start with, I'm going to take this shade known as Slasher. This absolutely matches my dress, and I'm taking a smudger brush, and I'm going to start laying down my base like I am putting an eyeliner. So that's going to be very close to my lash line. Just depositing this color. You don't have to blend it or smudge it at this moment. And it's completely fine if it's not absolutely straight. If the line of the eyeshadow is not absolutely straight, it is okay at this moment. And you can see within a few seconds, your base color is laid down. I'm going to create this small wing here, very slight, not a wing, but a slight. And next, on the same brush, I'm taking this shade Blend and Sharp, dust off the excess, and now I am going to smudge out this shade that I had initially deposited with this. So to simplify this whole thing, you need a darker shade and a lighter shade to that dark shade, so that you can smoke it out or create an ombre, whatever you want to say. But make sure that your lighter shade doesn't pop out, okay? Your dark shade should be the one that's in the concentration here. The light shade is just to blend that dark shade or smudge that dark shade. I will keep going back and forth to both the shades until I am satisfied with the kind of smokiness that they have created. Right. Now if you see here, it feels like there is an ombre created, but still I'll take this clean blending brush and I'll just blend it out a little bit on the corners. Now when I'm blending, I'll blend out only the corners. I'll try avoiding going close to my lash line. And this is how it has to look. I have taken again the shade Slasher and just going to go close to my lower lash line as well. And then going back to the clean blending brush without any pigmentation, because it has already picked up little bit of product from my upper eyelid that I have created. So this will just work fine to blend out the lower lash line. And the next step is going to be taking a gel liner or a very creamy pencil like this one. The one I am using is Plum Nature Studio. I'm using this one. You can go with a gel eyeliner or you can go with any other kind of eyeliner that you feel like. But I'm going to go ahead with this one. And now I'm going to go very close to my lash line and just create one black line. It is very simple to do it with this pencil. I have done this so many times and it takes me only a few minutes to create this whole eye look, and it looks really glamorous. Again, you don't have to worry about the evenness of the line because anyways we are going to smoke it out, right? Yeah. A line as uneven as this one is also fine. And we are repeating the same on the lower lash line as well. Apply it on the lower lash line, waterline. Connect it from your inner and outer corners. Going back to my smudger brush, I'm just going to now blend or smudge that black line that we have created with the help of either the gel liner or this pencil like me. And now you see, when I have smudged it enough, it looks really nice, right? You keep going back and forth with both the shades that you have to smoke it out completely. And if you want to do it with only black, you keep a black eyeshadow and a black gel liner, because eyeshadow is going to be anytime lighter than your gel liner or a pencil like one I used. So you can draw the pencil and then keep smudging it out with the black eyeshadow, and that way it would still look equally brilliant. And this is how it is looking. I'll just apply mascara and we'll be right back. And I am back with the mascara. This is how it is looking. And if you want, you can go ahead and add lashes, but I feel if you add lashes, it is going to cover up the work that you have done, and I just don't like that. So I use the lashes like these ones. These are just the outer corner lashes. I bought this from Nykaa. They are known as Pro Art in the number 007. So that's what I am going to use, and I'm going to add it on the outer corner of my lash line. That way, you know, it will add fluffiness and length to my lashes without going overboard or, you know, going a little extra. But if you want, you can go ahead, but I feel it would cover up the work, so I just don't go with that. And I'm applying this one. Now you see the lashes, I've just applied it on the outer corner. They're extremely comfortable and actually very good for beginners. They add nice volume to your eyes and at the same time doesn't go overboard. And you can see, I hope you can see the lash band of this one. It's a little wide, so the lash band is also easier to cover. Just take your pencil or a gel liner, whatever you prefer, and go over the lash band. And they look absolutely natural. Guys, this is about this look right here. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, and if in case you recreate this look, please tag me. I would be more than happy to see you all recreating it and having so much fun with this kind of eye look. So that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, and if there is anything that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. Until then, take care. Ta-da!